Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to see you again today, and I have something to share with you. It's about lotus flower. Every weekend I love visiting some local market here in Bangkok. One of my favorite place is Paklong Talat. It's one of the biggest flower market in Bangkok, and also it has a fresh market that sell vegetable, fruit, and some local product. Because Thai has many population of the Buddhist believer, so flower is one of important commodity in day-to-day life for Thai people. So everywhere, if you go around your neighborhood, you can find sometimes just a little flower seller or flower vendor, because in their prayer they use a lot of flowers. But this in Paklong Talat, the flowers not only flower for offering or for prayer, but they also use flower for different kind of occasion. They collect all the flower, it is local or important ones. And here you can see like decoration of the jasmine that they usually use as an offering. They put in the temple, and also important flower for them is lotus. Here so many people selling lotus, and I think compared to other local flower, lotus flower is quite high in terms of price. Maybe it's very important flower compared to other flower in their belief. And based on my experience living in Thailand for almost more than 6 years, I noticed that lotus flower or lotus plant, it has a lot of useful that we can consume. We can use the flower for offering or for decoration, and the seed we can eat, and the flower also we can eat. And I will show you how to make lotus flower salad based on the Thai recipe. This one actually Thai people love to have appetizer made from green leaf or fresh vegetable like a salad. This time I'm using lotus petal. On the lotus flower petals I put some peanut, some onion, sliced onion. I can put in a tiny slice, and also tiny slice of lime, dried shrimp or fried shrimp, dried coconut, and then I use also palm sugar sauce. It's made from palm sugar, salt, a shrimp paste, and you can also add some tamarind, and you put all together on the leaf, you rub it, and you eat. And usually in some traditional restaurant they put in the menu as an appetizer. At first I thought it was strange, but I think it's very healthy appetizer, healthy recipe, And now lotus salad is one of my favorite dishes while I'm here in Thailand, because it's very easy to get the ingredient, because a lot of lotus flower available in every lotus market. So sometime I made this fancy menu for my breakfast, and it's very healthy. Hope you can try it too. And actually, not only lotus flower, you can use any kind of flower that eatable, or like you can use salad leaf, or fruit, and I think you can try. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe. Hope to see you again in my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.